Hi everyone, this is Lady T with Lady T Speaks, bringing you the latest in hip hop, R&B, and entertainment news. In hip hop news, Philadelphia rapper Meek Mill might just be getting a break in his probation case. According to TMZ, I'd like to share this with you. Meek Mill's been getting a raw deal from Judge Genece Brinkley and deserves a new trial without her on the bench. And that's according to the district attorney in Philly. The DA's office just filed new docs in Pennsylvania Superior Court stating Judge Brinkley's appearance of bias has been evident throughout the case, and therefore Meek should be retried in his probation violation case. You'll recall that Judge Brinkley sentenced Meek to 2 to 4 years in state prison, which was eventually set aside when Meek was released in April 2018, promptly boarding a chopper with 76ers owner Michael Rubin. Since then, he appealed and asked for a new trial, but Judge Brinkley shot him down last June, refusing to grant the retrial. It's kind of extraordinary with Wednesday's filing. You now have the DA on the record siding with the defendant. In the docs obtained by TMZ, the DA calls out Brinkley's bias against Meek, singling out a surprise visit she made to a homeless shelter where Meek was doing court order community service. The DA points out that's not what judges do. That's for probation officers who report back to the judge. According to the docs, Brinkley also abused her discretion when she hit him with the 2 to 4 year sentence for technical violations of his probation. Still, she has repeatedly refused to recuse herself from the case. Even the DA says Meek serves no threat to the community and he had completed drug treatment and therefore deserves another shot in court, says Brinkley. So, the district of attorney is Krasner, and he was elected this term. So it looks like Meek Mill might really get a chance to have another opportunity, which he should because he's been on probation forever. And the little fractions that he made, according to Brinkley, one was because he was in New York City on one of those motorbikes, and he wasn't supposed to be, he's not supposed to leave and be in, anything, do anything without getting permission. But he said he did get permission. So it's just been a really, really messy case. And Meek Mill, he's involved in justice reform, which is such a good thing. He, along with Jay-Z and some others, formed a coalition, and they're fighting for people like himself who are on probation forever. It's just unfair. Like, you can see now that he has turned his life around, and it does look like the judge is biased because she keeps going after him instead of letting it go, letting the new DA come in and let them work out the differences in the case. It sounds like she has a vendetta. I've said it all along, and most people agree. It looks like she just really is giving this young man a hard time. Meek Mill has done a lot since he's been out to help others, to really talk about making changes. And so I hope he gets this opportunity to finally be free from probation. All right, everyone, this is Lady T with Lady T Speaks, bringing you the latest in hip hop, R&B, and entertainment news. As I often say, make your day great, live your life on purpose. Take care. Talk to you all soon.